The following portion of Daytime Blue Ridge is sponsored by
It is Freedom First Friday, and today we're getting details on USDA loans. Vanessa Moore, a mortgage loan representative at Freedom First, joins us to tell us more. Welcome.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, there's a lot of loans out there, aren't there? So let's talk about the USDA loan. What is that?
Yeah, the USDA loan is a great option. It offers people 100% financing, meaning no down payment. The mortgage insurance within the monthly payment is very affordable compared to other loan programs. You do not need to be a first-time home buyer to take advantage of that program. So it is designed for property specific, like only in rural areas.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So that's good to know. So if people are buying in the city, not necessarily going to use this kind
That's
of
why
loan.
you'd want to give us a call and let us know what property you're interested in, and then would see if that piece, as far as the property itself, is in a USDA eligible area.
Okay, and why was this created, this kind of loan? To encourage people to live in more rural areas?
Home ownership designed for certain income areas, like moderate to low income households, to encourage home ownership in the rural areas.
Okay, so let's talk more about some of the features of a USDA loan. What can we expect?
So, and I've kind of touched on that a little bit as far as no down payment, and it's designed to help people obtain home ownership. So the no down payment, low mortgage insurance, those are the best features for people that don't have a down payment to work with.
Okay, and are there a lot of people taking advantage of the USDA loans right now?
Yes, there are. We get a lot of inquiries about USDA loans.
Okay.
And the big part is, the first part that we look at is making sure that the property is in a USDA eligible area, so we can help with that. And then looking
how do you
at
know? I mean, do you have
there's
to be
actually
a certain amount of miles away from the city? Or?
No, not necessarily. You enter a property address into the USDA website, and it tells you if it's in a USDA eligible area. Very easy to do. So anyone can do it.
Oh, yes,
anyone can do it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, so if I'm sitting at home on my computer, what do I have to do? Just type in the website?
Just, I would look up USDA property eligibility, and it will take you to that web page within their website, and then you enter in a property address, hit enter, and it tells you if it's in a USDA eligible area.
Oh, that's nice.
And another piece of that too is that, kind of touching on the household income limits again, that most of the counties in our area, they do have household income limits of $78,200, meaning that all adult income earners, their total income has to be within that range.
In the house?
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
All right, so consider that
That can be a challenge sometimes.
Yes, okay, all right, so, but that's nice that you don't have to put a down payment on the house or anything like that. So it can be a little confusing, I'm sure. Do you encourage people to call you and have, if they have questions,
call
and
us
work through it?
Yeah, call us at 540-389-0244 and get in touch with one of our mortgage loan originators. And then if the buyer doesn't fit into that USDA program, then we have many other options to look at. So we'll see what else works for them.
So don't be discouraged. There are other loans out there, and I'm sure you can find somebody what they're looking for and get them either in a home.
That's what we're here for.
That's what you're there for. All right, so let's pop up the information for more information. It's freedomfirstcu.com. Is that right? freedomfirstcu.com, there you go, or call 540-389-0244 for more information. Thank you so much for being here. Appreciate it.
Thank you.